And now I am at Black Rose Antiques and Collectibles. Let's go in and see what we can find. Last time I was here, I didn't film, but I found a bunch of good stuff. Hopefully we find some cats. I've only found like 2 today, which is insane. Oh my gosh, I love this little wall plaque. $18.50 though. I don't see a discount sign. Yeah, that's probably a little close, unfortunately. Look at this crazy thing. Marble bust carved. What is this thing? Oof. Carved lion, $1 firm. Interesting. That's kind of cool, actually. I'm a little on the fence about it. So I know I just bought one of these, but also look at this one. This one's $25. Dang, that is fantastic. I can't justify spending that much up front though. That's probably about what that will sell for. Or at least after fees. It's so cute. I like this angel candle holder, Japan. Oh, it's got a little bit of spot, a little bit of damage on the back. Those usually do. I think that's a little close for me. Look at these fish bookends. Huh. Now this is one of the vendors I frequent at yesteryear. Looks like all kinds of Christmases come out. That's kind of cute, isn't it? $7. It's a really fair price. I already have a couple things like that right now though. I'm trying to switch it up a little. And the nude flower frog, $24 though. That's probably about what that would sell for. Maybe if it was like pink or something. Now I'm going a little out of order because I was really looking forward to going to this booth. Though it does look, maybe a couple things have moved around, but it looks kind of picked over. I think I looked at this last time. Look at this crazy thing. Well, unfortunately, nothing in that booth today. These owls kind of caught my... Got a little bit of wear on the nose there. That's really pretty, but that's about retail. Yeah, it's only been like a week exactly to the day since I've been here last. I kind of thought that might have been enough time, but... ooh, that's kind of fun. $6.99. I don't know how well that would do, though. Okay, but also, can we talk about how funny this is? I like the dolphin one. Or whale, I should say. Excuse me, $30, though. I'm seeing lots of dogs. But again, no cats. I must have bought all the cats. They're catless. This one is, but that's new, it looks like. Oh my gosh, how funny are these elephant salt and pepper shakers? I wish they didn't have that much wear on them. Otherwise, I would totally grab those. Those are amazing. Also kind of like into this little dog ashtray. Last time Jocelyn was in this booth, she managed to find something that wasn't marked firm. They have 30% off, but I feel like literally everything is marked firm. See, this is really pretty, but 28 firm. Well, I'm super surprised. I actually ended up leaving empty-handed. I went through there pretty quick. So I'm gonna hop in the car and keep going, I guess. And I will see you guys when I get to my next stop. Well, I surprisingly left Black Rose empty-handed, but now I'm back at Dover Antique Mall. Let's go in and see what we can find. First, these ornaments are so fun. The whole bag for $9. I'm gonna grab those. I like the little stars on them. Oh my gosh, look at this little music box. Oh, and it's heart-shaped. $10. Hong Kong. Wonder if it works. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this. I've never seen that one before. Now I can't get it to stop, which is actually annoying. Yeah, I can't deal with that. It's not gonna stop. Sorry, I can't. It's gotta have the start and stop thing. These are fun, but they're missing a little. Okay, I have to move away. It's starting to get to me. I don't see anything else. It's very cute, but it's gotta have a stop option. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. How great. Oh my gosh, look at the poodle mug. how fantastic. Swank, that's like that elephant one. It's $15 and 15% off. It's so great. I think it might be a little close, honestly. It's so tempting. And then look at this. It's been a while since I picked up a little religious item. That's really cute. In the frame, too. $5. I think I'll take that. Made in Hong Kong. What's happening with this owl? This is kind of interesting, isn't it? Italy. I don't see a discount. That might be a little close. I like that shape, though. It's not the one I usually see. This is one of my favorite vendors to frequent here. Little cat figurine, $5 with the rhinestone eyes. I don't like that you can see some of the glue, though. That's a great nodder set. Now, this is a really interesting looking owl. $12. Paperweight. That's cool. It's got a certain je ne sais quoi, as I like to say. Oh my gosh, look at this creamer. Punch and Judy. That's so good. A little Amberina vase. That's only $6. I'll take that for $6, right? Yeah. Let's see, what else do they have here? It looks like they've added a few new things. This glass owl is left in. That's only $8. That's not bad. A little bit on the more common side. Now, there is a blue vase up there that has my attention. Look at that. How much is this one? $12? I don't see a discount sign. That's really pretty, though. I kind of like that. It's a little bit more than I'd like to have invested, though. I can't remember if I looked at this last time. Viking glass owl, $25. Dang, I am not seeing the cats today. Wow, this is gorgeous. I think I looked at that last time. What about over here? Definitely have been in since the last time I was here. That's kind of cool. This looks like Rose Lane. It is $20. That's about what I'd get for that after fees. Well, this booth is definitely restocked. There's a lot going on here. Little glass hand. $23. Let's see. I'm just looking for a discount sign. I don't think I see one. Lots of good stuff. Love the custard glass. Look at this funny thing. I wonder if this is what I think it is. Vintage wooden cat pen. I wonder if that's, gosh, I can't even think straight. Oh, it will come to me, I'm sure. That's kind of nice. Oh, I love these. That's at $16, though. That's a little close. Some cats eating. What is going on here? Oh, my gosh. That is so fun. $22, though. I love him. Let's see. I think those were the cats. Yeah, they had a little bit of damage on them. Oh my gosh, I love this sour cream jar with the potato. That's so good. I think that's left in too, if I'm not mistaken. Is that repaired though? Dang, it is. Oh, wow. I ran into this vendor last time I was here and they said that they were going to change their booth for Christmas soon, and they were not kidding. Look at the three-faced Santa. $50 for a collector. It's a really good price for this. This is a harder to find piece, and the paint's in great condition. And oh my gosh, look at the acrylic holly berry. That's fantastic. Oh, so much fun stuff. I also love this tin toy chicken. It's great. Well, it looks like that might have been a quick trip too. I'm headed back downstairs to check out. But if I check out in time, then I can still hit Burning Bridge on the way home. Well, that was a quick $20 trip, and I am off in the car. I will see you guys at Burning Bridge.